Hey everyone, this is Michael Tritthart, International Technology Instructor. We have a class coming to Fair Texas Title, Allen, on March 17th, and it's going to be from 1 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon. And this is going to be Real Estate Re-Energized with REMINE. REMINE is one of the most powerful tools that you can be using out there as a real estate agent to communicate with your clients, investors, mortgage officers, and so much more. It's really a lot of amazing tools that we can use in REMINE. We're going to dive deep in this workshop, so bring your laptop. We're going to go in and start to apply a lot of different elements of REMINE to your business. Make sure you fully understand this powerful tool that you have. And I look forward to seeing you guys on March 17th from 1 to 3. All you got to do is sign up below, click the link below to register. That's going to register you for the on-site and the Zoom version. So if you can't attend in person, you absolutely can attend via Zoom, and those who do use that link, you will get a recorded copy of the session as well. So I'll see you guys either in person or via Zoom March 17th. Thanks.